WHB we're looking at was the use of our couplings, our fittings, and our valves in terms of how they could be installed across the chilled and heating pipework on this site. Victaulic products are really quick and easy to install. Our fittings and valves already come pre-grooved. All you're looking at doing is using our ready-to-install Quick Vic couplings, which simply slide over the pipework, and you're just doing up 2 nuts and bolts that don't have a torque requirement. The entire pipework on this site was completed in 2 months. In a traditional system, we'd been looking at a much longer timescale. We have a really good relationship with WHB. They've used Victaulic now for a number of years and across multiple contracts.
Any pipework which lends itself to being installed in Victaulic, we've actually installed in Victaulic. Using Victaulic systems where the installation time is a lot less than a welded system lends itself to tight programs.
Victaulic is designed to last the life cycle of a system, and that includes the lifetime of the building as well. The products are infinitely recyclable and infinitely reconfigurable.
It's crazy how durable the system is, really. From a maintenance point of view, everything's demountable and you can make changes to it very easily.